Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Sandy. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with an exciting video. I know I always say I'm back with an exciting video, but I am so excited to be reviewing and doing a little tutorial for you guys on the new palette. So the palette that I'm going to be trying out today for you guys is this Tati Beauty palette. You guys, this palette just looks so amazing. The packaging is just so sleek. And the colors inside, I haven't swatched them yet. Like, I did dig my nail on it by accident when I was taking pictures on Instagram. But this palette seems so amazing. So I did kind of like a little poll on Instagram, and I asked you guys if you guys wanted me to do like a black smoky eye or a soft glam look, and a lot of you guys did want to see the soft glam look, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm not going to do any swatches on the palette today, you guys, because I'm really not that good at swatches. If you guys head over to Tati's channel, she does have swatches and explaining the whole palette, and she just does an amazing job. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead and head over there. But if you guys want to see what look I create with this palette, then keep on watching. So first is first, we're going to move the hair out of my face, or away from my, of course, the hair out of my face. I just want to show you guys what the palette looks like. I know you guys probably seen it already a lot of times, but look at all those colors. They're just so beautiful. Look, I'm just like so excited for these colors right here. And then it has like this big, like humongous mirror, you guys. And yeah, the mirror is like really big, and it feels like kind of heavy, so it feels like it's a very expensive palette. It didn't cost that much. I think I want to say it was like 48, around the 40-ish dollars range. So I feel like it's pretty good price for all the shades that it does have in here. I'm just like so excited to dig in. You guys, I got this maybe, see, today, like maybe a few days already. I've gotten the palette, so I haven't touched it. I haven't like swatched it or did anything because I was waiting to do this with you guys. So I'm gonna go in with my MAC Paint Pot Soft Ochre. I just feel like the paint pots have been working out for me, because I feel like the concealers that I've used, I feel like it creases a lot on my eyeshadows. And I feel like this has been working better. I mean, if you guys know of anything else, like, let me know what works. But this is what's been working for me right now. I don't like to set it. I just feel like it gets more pigmentation without setting the eyes. So the bottom rows are all mattes. These ones are sequins. And these ones here are metallic. This row here is metallic. And then the glitter on top. So I'm going to go in with the color Soothe here and use that as my transition color. And I'm going to take my matte 224 brush. And then I'm just going to put that in my crease. As you guys can tell, like right off the bat, like it's very pigmented. You guys see that? Very pigmented. Her mirror is like so big, you guys. That's what I'm gonna use. I have my other little mirror here, but this one just seems like better. So I'm just packing it on, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it in after I get the color that I want, and then just blend. So in the palette, it looks like a brownie, like a light brown color, but on my eye, you see how it looks? It doesn't look brown. That's weird. And my brush is clean too. I don't have any other colors on here. And then I'm going to go in with the color Ritual. Here it's a nice brownie color. And I'm going to take my Wayne Goss 04 brush. And I'm going to take that and then just put it in my inner crease of my eye. Like right here. I'm going to pack it on. Just pack it. This color does seem like a little bit like choppy. I'm packing it on because I feel like when you pack colors on, you get the pigmentation, but can you guys tell, like, you see how, right here, how patchy, a little patchy? Let's just blend it out and see. Yeah, maybe this color is going to be a little hard to blend out. You gotta work more for this color. And I'm just going to take my MAC 224 brush and then just blend those two together. So you really have to blend this color out. Yeah, can you guys look? Like, you see how it's still kind of that line there? So we really have to blend it, you guys. So I'm going to go with this sequin line here, and I'm going to take this brown color right here. And then I'm going to take my Wayne Goss number 18 brush and then just pick it up. Just tap the excess off, and then I'm going to put it here and kind of all over the lid. I'm going to go back with that color Soothe. I'm really disappointed because I thought that was like, because if you guys see, you see how it's like a brownie color? But when I put it on my eye, it doesn't look that brown. It's like a weird mauve color. I was looking for that brown. Go to the metallic row, and I'm going to take this color right here. And I'm just going to actually use my finger since I don't have any nails. And just rub it in there, and I'm going to put it on my eyelid. Oh, this color is pretty. Look, you guys. I'm going to try to go in with that color Ritual, which was that brown I put in my crease. And I'm going to put a little bit on the outer corner right here. I'm going to tap it in first. And I'm just taking the Wayne Goss 18 brush. Yeah, I feel like putting it on the outer corner and then blending it here, it blends a little better than tapping it in the actual crease, because it's actually blending out pretty good here. So maybe you need to just pick up more of the color. And then I'm going to take my MAC 224 brush, and I'm just going to blend it with no additional color. Just blend everything together. I'm going to go back to that little metallic color and then just add some more here. Since it does, you know, when you blend out the colors, it does make it a little lighter. I'm going to take this color Aura, I think it's called. And I'm just going to highlight my brow bone and then the inner corner of my eye. Take this Dose of Colors shader brush. It's a nice color. And then I'm going to go in with my MAC 224 and then just blend it together. Just go down here and blend some more. And I'm going to go with Aurora, I think it is, again. And I'm going to take my Dose of Colors concealer brush, and I'm just going to put it on the inner corner of my eye right here. I'm going to actually go on the I'm going to go above the sequins and just get this one here above Aurora. And I'm actually going to go back with the Dose of Colors brush and do my inner corner. I always like to highlight. I know it's not soft glam. Just, I don't know, I like to be extra. And then I'm actually going to blend it with the 224 brush. And I'm going to go in with my Wayne Goss brush, and then I just feel like I need to blend the outer corner right here. So that's the one eye. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. So I went ahead and finished my makeup off of camera. I went ahead and did my whole face. I did want to just concentrate on just the eye.